Hello my friends again, welcome to my channel, and today I will unbox this perfume. It's Club de Nuit and is by Armaf, isn't it? I think it's by Armaf, so it's the first perfume that I have by Armaf. I was thinking today, should I unbox this one, which is Zimaya Luxure, which is, I have never seen this perfume before, or this one, but because I had this one for some time now, I thought it's time to unbox this perfume, guys. So this perfume is citrus, patchouli, rose, woody, fresh, spicy, aromatic, powdery, and vanilla. I smell this perfume already, like from the sample, and I thought that this perfume is like a classic type of perfume that kind of reminded me of those, Dolce Gabbana, those type of classic perfume, but maybe better. So that's what I thought, and let's unbox it. Let's unbox the perfume, and let's see. Maybe this perfume will be the perfume that would be possible to wear on a variety of occasions. Like, that's what I like about the perfume, that when you can just simply grab it and like wear it anytime, like, when you don't need to think too much before you wear this perfume, especially with those heavy perfumes, like you need to think before you wear. So this perfume, maybe I will not need to think about, before I wear this particular perfume. So basically that's the situation. Let's unbox this perfume, and then also we will have a look there. What's happening here? Why there are so many? Oh, I'm not sure what's happening in this particular box here, but like, am I opening it wrong or something? Basically, everything came off. And then I have this perfume Armaf. This one is not moving, but this perfume looks really good. I must tell you, like, as you can see, this type of presentation, I don't think I ever had it like this before, which is pretty nice, isn't it? There is some kind of thing here. I don't know what's this about here. Basically, it shows what perfumes they have. So they have this black one, this orange one, and they have this one here, Club de Nuit Woman, and this one is Club de Nuit Untold. What do you think about these ones, guys? Do you know anything about those? Like Club de Nuit Untold, there is these type of versions that is possible to have. Interesting, isn't it? So that's interesting. So what's actually the name of this perfume? Like Club de Nuit Woman is the name, isn't it? There is also Club de Nuit Imperial, that white one here, this one. And which one is this one? Club de Nuit. And there is also the black one, Club de Nuit Intense. So these are so many options you have. But I got this one because this one seemed to be a simple one, so I just got it. So now we're gonna have a look there. So first word there that was coming was citrus. I cannot smell anything yet, and then it says it's floral fruity perfume for women. Then you have orange, bergamot, grapefruit, and then you have peach, and then you have rose, lychee, geranium, patchouli, musk, vanilla, and vetiver. I actually have that this perfume has some sort of like a light side, like citrusy type of side of it, and even there's that vetiver. I don't know, guys. What I will need to do is I will need to spray it. That's what I'm gonna do. Some people say it's not as smooth as Coco Chanel. I heard that this one actually is, maybe is that a little bit similar to that Mademoiselle, which actually I never liked that Mademoiselle, never had it, never was interested in it. And then some people say opening is too citrusy, and then some people say it smells cheap. So let's see. I already had it. I already smelled it, my friends. Like, sorry, I just had something else on that particular side. I already smelled it before, this perfume, so I know what it is, more or less. Ooh, ooh, wow. But it's different to smell from the bottle, and it's different to smell, from the small sample. So it is very citrusy, type of citrusy, like really citrusy, I would like to say. So it's just the beginning of the perfume, like it's hard to figure it out. So that citrusy type of smell. So what to say for you guys, like, so a lot of citruses, like as even in the notes it was saying, like, there's orange, bergamot, grapefruit, so everything is kind of mixed together, so you feel that citrusy, fruity side, you know. And from those florals there, like, because in those florals there is like rose and jasmine and geranium, so everything just blends together. That rose, like, you can't just actually feel like, oh, that's a rose. It's actually because it's blended, like, you cannot really tell what's happening there. And then that vanilla comes. It's pretty type of, you know, it's really not heavy perfume, you know. That's what I would like to say. Is this perfume cheap? For me, it's too early to say, you know, like, because I always make a mistake in the first impressions, like only after a while kind of perfume opens to me in some kind of different type of different face, you know, it shows me different face only after a while. But so far, do I feel cheapness in this perfume at this particular moment? I do, actually. I do feel slight cheapness in this perfume, or affordability. You know, affordability is great, but you know that you know how to say that, to say that this perfume is not expensive. It's really possible to say that, you know. But then for example, as, let's say, spray it on your coat, and then you're gonna be walking along your day, you know, like, and with the wind, this perfume could open up in a beautiful way. I can see that, you know. I can see that feminine. I like in this particular like sniff. I like it. I like that this kind of light and not heavy, and I like. But so far, I'm not capturing anything that exciting too much, you know, like nothing too much exciting. But overall it's beautiful, and it's possibly, it would remind slightly of that Mademoiselle, but I haven't smelled Mademoiselle in a long time. But I think it's possible that there is some sort of similarity there, like, let's see how it goes, guys. Maybe I should spray a little bit on my clothes as well, just to see what will happen. You know, when you spray on the clothes, it's a completely different story, isn't it? We'll spray a little bit in the box as well, you know, just to see what will happen. So, it's a lot of citrus. It's really a lot of citruses, guys. That's what I would like to say. As a first type of first unboxing, that's all what I would like to say. Was I really impressed? No, not really impressed, but at the same time I was not deterred. I think this perfume could be beautiful, you know, beautiful to wear on maybe official occasion. This perfume probably has probability to open up in a beautiful way in some sort of different situations that I haven't had a chance to have yet. So, and also the way it's supposed to smell on the clothes after a while, I need to check as well. So basically need to keep checking this perfume. As you maybe already have this perfume, what do you would you like to say? Maybe did this perfume has this perfume open for you in some kind of brilliant way, that type of positive way, you know? What about those compliments, and what about those other perfumes that they show here on the picture? Is there anything nice? So that's it from my perspective. I will come back to you guys with more experienced review, you know, because I just unboxed this perfume, and that's all what I would like to say. Overall, it's okay, you know. I think it's okay. Especially, I want to see it in the wind, you know, like how like when the wind blows, like what this perfume could bring me. That's it. Have a lovely day. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.